Hey, what's up guys? So today we are getting a new buffer. Yep, we've needed one. I want you guys to check this out. It's friggin' awesome. Dude, what's up guys? So here we are. Excited. I can't even fit the 3-inch. Definitely this is the cat's meow for me. So what's nice about it, it's battery powered, so you don't have to run cords. I guess the batteries last about 20 minutes. So it comes with some pads. Let's see what we got here. It's a yellow polishing one. How many inches are these ones? 2.5 inch, or 2 inch, or 2.5.
2.5.
2.5. 2.5-ies. And then these were like I think these are 1.25 inches. So it comes with some pads. You got the foam cutting ones. Foam, the other 1.25 inch. Couple compounds. That charger. What else we got? Oh, an extra battery. 2 batteries. That's cool. The nice thing about this is actually I can hook up a cord to it in case I'm running out of battery, because definitely it's gonna pay for itself very quickly. So alright guys, so that's kind of the breakdown. I know this is kind of like one of those tools that you don't always need, but when you have it, it's nice. Here we are. We're fixing this window. It's got a bunch of scratches. I think it had like a solvent bleed onto the window itself and etched it actually. So what we're gonna do is, I did a couple test patches to see how it worked, just like in the middle, to see what took out the scratches. I went light, more aggressive, more aggressive, more aggressive, more aggressive, till we found what worked. And then now I am just taping off so I can polish right along the edges here, and then come back and polish everything again and see where I need to come back and actually sand. So I'm gonna polish everything I can out and then come back, wet sand where I need to, whether it's by hand or by sander. And then we'll just go back and we'll compound, polish, and blend everything in. All right, guys. Just putting plastic in, make like a little plastic cover here. This is far enough back. Our compounds aren't gonna dust very much. We use ones that don't. Taping off all the suede, all of it. Putting tape all the way down as far as we can get it, which is pretty much all the way. And then putting plastic to cover it. We're using a heavier gauge plastic. This is like 4 mil. If you use like the 0.5, the 0.8 mil plastics, like when the buffer's going and the fan inside the buffer, it starts like flickering all the plastic, and you run the chance of like catching it in the pad and ripping all of it, and then the buffer just polishing everything in here, and you just ruin stuff. So yeah, you just use the heavier stuff because it's not as effective. It's a little bit heavier. So we got it taped all the way to the center console, covering the whole center console. As you might be able to see here, is there's two layers. So we've got 2 layers basically. One just draping, and then the other one covering the panel. We've got to do a few more things. We'll probably run plastic up and over this as well, just covering these. I don't think it's necessary, but it's better safe than sorry. Overkills, I mean, just all the preparations can make everything a lot less cleanup. I mean, I don't think I can really ruin anything in here. With this, but putting more plastic in is needed, a lot less cleanup for ourselves. So, all right, so we're almost there. You guys see some footage of us polishing it, sanding it, whatever we need to do. First, we're gonna So I want to take like this to here, and then just kind of wrap this up like that. You know what I mean? Yeah, that'll work. So if you want to tape the top so it kind of holds itself in place a little bit, there you go. Hey, what's up guys? So here, this is kind of the best option for polishing inside. We'll use our 3-inch roofs, but around all the edges and a lot of the areas, I really need this, just the control, it's precise. And this one is just straight rotary, and then we'll switch it up to the dual action probably later with the smaller pads just to get in some tighter areas. So we're getting all the scratch out of this thing. Here we go. Hey, what's up guys? So I just wanted to do a follow-up recap to the video of us sanding, polishing the windows inside and out. So to recap, basically what I did is went through, polished everything, seeing what would come off, what wouldn't, yada, yada, yada. Then I went back and sanded the areas up to 5,000 grit as to not create a bunch of heat while polishing. Obviously using the dual action buffer because it doesn't create a bunch of heat. Next was we polished the inside. I chose not to use a clay bar on the inside or clay pad. The polishing took off the overspray and then I came back and repolished. That way the pad was very clean. You know, just a lot of prep, a lot of taping, a lot of plastic. And yeah, the windows turned out great. I have not heard a word from the customer. So yeah, it's been a few weeks now and yeah, everything turned out great. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll be sure to help you out. All right.